At Canon, we understand that every production environment is unique, and so are your service needs. That's why we offer a suite of tailored empowerment programs designed to put greater control in your hands, reduce downtime, and elevate overall performance. Whether you're aiming to boost internal capabilities, reduce reliance on external support, or address service challenges in remote locations, Canon has a solution to match. Let's start with the Operator Pro Plus program. For teams seeking to elevate operator capabilities, the Operator Pro Plus program offers focused, hands-on training designed to maximize uptime and operational efficiency. Your press operators will attend training to help them gain the skills to perform preventative maintenance, manage routine tasks, and even complete basic part replacements, all without interrupting your production schedule. After training, Canon Service remains by your side, providing ongoing support when you need it. Another option is the Customer Technician program. This program offers your own employees training and tools they need to resolve technical issues in real time. With factory-level instruction, an on-site parts kit replenished through Prisma Service, and a dedicated help desk, your technicians can be equipped to handle many service scenarios independently. And when more complex challenges arise, Canon's field service team is just a call away, ensuring seamless support that combines your internal resources with Canon's technical expertise. And for businesses operating in remote locations or simply looking for more autonomy, the Self-Maintenance program puts complete service control in your hands. With expert-level training and phone-based support, your technicians manage everything from parts inventory and replacements to service timelines. You'll have access to detailed service documentation, Canon remote support, and the option for on-site visits when needed. It's a fully integrated approach, bringing Canon's industry-leading service to your facility. Together, these programs form a comprehensive path to smarter, more empowered service. They also enable a career growth path and ongoing education for your operators and can help support labor retention. When your team is empowered, your press can run more efficiently, helping your business thrive. Canon Empowered Service Programs. Confidence built in.